Hello, good morning. My name is Emmanuel Akpomemie. I'm the president of MCC AllStars, and we are here for Saturday training.
Good morning. I am Ali. I'm the vice president of MCC AllStars. Come join us. We are good to go. Arena, MCC Arena.
Ego Vice.
This is my vice captain, PR of the team. Respect, man. You're welcome. Ivina.
Good morning. My name is Dallas. I'm the assistant captain of MCC AllStars. We are about to commence our today training with peace and with unity. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Agogo Pwama, assistant coach MCC AllStars.
Hello, good morning. I'm the head coach of MCC AllStars. I'm by name Benson. It's lovely to be in training this morning. We're going to have a wonderful day. As you can see, we've started training and God will bless us all. Thank you.